Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you viewers beautiful button crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, so let's start today video. So my first idea is viewers. Friends, button photo frame. Take a plain photo frame and decorate the edges with button. Mix different color and size to create a fun and creative border. To turn an ordinary frame into a special handmade memory piece. Button flowers are also very beautiful. You can create small flower by arranging button together. Use a big button in the center and small button around it. Attach them to card, gift box or wall decoration. They look cute and colorful. Buttons are perfect for creating cards. Friends, viewers, instead of drawing flowers and balloons, use buttons to create them. A button birthday card looks unique because it has a 3D handmade effect. And viewers, friends, so my next idea is viewers. A storage box, cover plain box with fabric paper and colorful buttons. The buttons add texture and make simple box look stylish. And friends, the button add texture and make simple box look stylish. They are perfect for storing jewelry, crafts, or small items. You can also make beautiful button magnet. Attach button to small magnet and create a colorful decoration for your refrigerator or workspace. They are simple to make and look affordable. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so I will see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.